Take a look, take a look, take a look in my eye. See the pain.
Welcome to Full Exposure.
In my mind, every day I'm stuck in the grind. They got
This is that warning.
They want me to die, want me to die. See, I'm just trying to fight for my brothers, and I'm just trying to protect my sisters, Why they trying to take what is mine? It ain't easy living life when you in Palestine. Yo, every day is straight grinding, counting my blessings. I'm surrounded by IDF troops pointing their weapons.
Hi guys, welcome to the 4th episode of Full Exposure, brought to you by devilsdenbiz.co.nr.
In today's episode, we are going to show you a Windows tweak, by which you can rename the text displayed on the start button of your taskbar.
But firstly, you will be needing a simple tool called Resource Hacker, which is easily available in our website www.devilsdenbiz.co.nr. It is very simple yet effective. So now let's show you the hack. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is navigate into the Windows folder and copy the file Xposure.exe, which will serve as a backup in case something goes wrong. Now open up the new Xposure.exe file in Resource Hacker. Just drag and drop it. Now go to string table. Just a second. Navigate to the 37 folder, and this is the text that is displayed on the start button. Change it to anything you like. Change it to hack. Now just press compile script while you're here. This is the compile script button. Again change it, the same thing here, hack, and press compile script. That's it. Now select save as. Give it the location where you want to save it, and I'm giving it a new Xposure new.exe. Save. Now you need to put this edited file in the Windows directory. Just drag it. Now open up registry editor. Navigate to HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, and when log on. Now you will get a shell. Use the thing shell. Just double click it and rename this thing to the file that you saved. For my example, it was Xposure new.exe. Okay, just quit and then just log off once or restart your and then log on. Here's it. Now as you can see, it has been changed to hack. Oh, this was it. That was it for today. You saw a cool tweak. Stay tuned for more of our videos. Now, if you have any question or suggestions, you can mail us at cguptava@gmail.com or kushalhatria@gmail.com. Also, please visit our website at www.devilsdonebiz.co.nr and our blog at ckreviews.co.cc. Thanks for watching.
Establish a land in Jerusalem, a national home for Jewish man. Frankenstein did the same in his creation of monsters, robbing coffins, joining up pieces of the dead and conquered. A secret agreement was signed by USA, UK and European Zionists strive to get Jews in Palestine. They launched campaigns calling Jews to migrate to stolen land. Some Jews refuse to immigrate, others hold their hands. Similar